Oh no. Did you drop your phone in water? Don't panic. We've got you covered. First things first, turn off your phone immediately. Don't try to use it or charge it until it's completely dry. Remove the SIM card, in any case, from the phone. This will help air circulate inside the phone and speed up the drying process. Shake the phone gently to get rid of any excess water. Be careful not to shake it too hard, or you could damage the internal components. Use a clean, dry towel to pat the phone dry. Be gentle and make sure to dry off all parts of the phone, including the ports and buttons. Place the phone in a bowl of uncooked rice, making sure it's completely submerged. The rice will absorb any remaining moisture. After 24 to 48 hours, take your phone out of the rice, put the SIM card and case back in, and turn it on. With any luck, it should be working just fine. And that's how you get water out of your phone. Remember to be patient and give your phone enough time to dry out. Thanks for watching.